Why, hello there, everyone. Welcome to Brandi Films. My name is Brandi, and here in this video, I am showing you some brand new rugs for my living room. Also, a couple other items that I've also picked up for my living room here recently. If you don't know, and which you probably do by the title of this video perhaps, or just if you've been hanging out with me here on my channel, then you would know, but I'm currently in the middle of a living room makeover, and things have been moving like super slow, like so slow. The positive news is that we are still going. Okay, I am still trying to get my living room together. A tiny bit of background for those of you who may be new here. I just moved into this apartment, I think maybe about 7 months ago now. And yeah, like it's just like a brand new apartment. I love decorating. I love home stuff. I love DIY projects. I love all of that. I love creating these videos. So fun for me. Like, yeah. I mentioned at the very beginning of my living room makeover series here on YouTube that I wanted to take my time with cultivating my living room. I wanted to put heart, soul, like I literally mentioned that in the video, into my living room. Like I created an entire design plan and everything for it, like Brandi style, like my version, right? Like, cause I'm not like a professional or anything like that, but I still like, I'm like a creative, like I just like go after like what I want and things like that. So yeah. I made my own like living room design plan. And so yeah, basically like I absolutely like beyond words, truly beyond words, love my living room rugs. Absolutely love my new living room rugs. Okay, I promise you I'm not gonna get on a tangent. We're gonna get into the video and everything like that. But tell me if you can relate to this, okay? Sometimes when you're going through life, okay, you're just going, doing the things. Boom, something will happen. Sometimes it's tragedy, sometimes it's heartbreak, sometimes it's just something totally just don't know what to do with. It's confusing, it's beyond what your brain can comprehend, all of that. But then sometimes it's an extremely positive thing that randomly hits you in life. You're going, and then boom, something so great like appears. And it's just like, I was not expecting you to like appear. You know what I mean? Like, at least like not at the time that you appeared, I was not expecting you. That's how it is sometimes in life, at least for me. That's exactly what happened with these living room rugs, okay? I was at the store with an agenda, everything on things I needed to get. For actually an entire other part of the living room. Was not going to the store for living room rugs. Definitely was not going to Lowe's for living room rugs. What do you mean? Like Lowe's? What? I'm actually leaving out of Lowe's, headed to the checkout. I am in Lowe's with my cart, with my things in my cart for my other living room DIY project. And I was like, as soon as I laid eyes on these rugs, I knew immediately. Absolute perfect rugs. I love the fact that they're a set. I love the colors and the rugs. I love the sizes of the rugs. I love everything about them. Hello there, everyone. Yes, so as you know, I have found some living room rugs, and I've mentioned a million times already, but I love them so much. I was not expecting to find rugs as soon as I did. My next thing was finding some end tables to DIY, like I've mentioned a lot of times here recently on my channel. But, you know, I was in the store and I came across these rugs and I was like, I have to have them. So yeah, we're kind of like going out of order. Well, at least like in my mind. Yeah, my living room is just coming together slowly but surely with just like random things. Like also you'll see that I did officially hang up my curtains in the living room. I will still need to add my curtains above the big windows over the stairwell. Still haven't found anyone to like hire to do that, but well, I have, but it's like really expensive, so I'll get that done eventually. But at least we have up one pair of curtains. You'll see that later on in the video when I show you like my rugs and stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited that I have found these rugs. Okay, so as you've been seeing, I have been putting down my rugs. I still keep showing you just different angles of how I have the rugs placed on the living room floor, so you'll see a lot more photos and little snippets here before we sit down and talk about some new items that I've got for the living room. But I wanted to hop in here just to kind of explain like why I placed them the way I did. So I decided to get 2 runners. I actually want to get a third one for my hallway, but for right now I purchased 2 runners, an area rug, and then 2 of the little rugs. And so for me, I knew I wanted a rug for as you're walking into the living room. I wanted a rug there. I also wanted a rug in front of my shelf along the one wall that you've seen. And then as far as my area rug, I don't know if you remember, but back when I was explaining the design for my living room, I explained how I did not want an area rug to cover the entire living room floor. I explained how I just want wherever you're sitting at in the living room, I want your feet to be able to touch a rug. So an area rug, right? If that's in the middle of the living room, that can't reach everybody's feet, if they're sitting in a chair. I don't like the look of a rug taking up all of the living room floor. I like the look of like little rugs and then like you have a big rug. If you can't tell already, I love like lots of different like shapes and textures. Like a mixture is like what I love. So yeah, just like wanted to explain like the placement of my, oh, also I did put the one runner in front of the window because I love the way that look underneath the curtains. I just feel like that looks so beautiful, and I will be keeping in front of the curtains like empty. I love that space, just being able to see the curtains hit the floor. It's very elegant. It's very beautiful to me. I feel like if I place anything in front of that, like furniture, it's just gonna completely ruin that whole wall. The curtains hanging super high on the wall is what really makes up the living room, or at least over in that part. So I don't want to do anything to ruin that. But I will, as you've seen, I will be adding a console table underneath the TV, and then we do still need to mount the cords, so that way you won't be able to see the cords and stuff. So there's a lot more work to come in the living room, and I kind of explain that later on when we kind of chat a little bit. But yeah. Stories of joy and of sorrow, I'm dying to There's so much more that we'll be doing here in the living room. These won't be like my forever rugs here in the living room. Planning on changing things out for this season, right? So for Christmas time, I won't have these rugs down, you know? But for the time being, they are perfect. Like, I more than love them, so. What is the name of like my style that I'm going for with my living room? I cannot find it. Okay, I have found like 3 different ones like that it could all be. I don't know. So I think from here on out, I'm just gonna like start calling my living room style like Brandi style, or like, you know, because I don't know, it like can cross over between so many different things. Like I definitely feel like I am leaning more towards like a black cabin, like cozy, chic, country cottage cabin, black kind of style. Like that's like what I think. Okay, you guys, so I also wanted to show you, like I said at the beginning, a couple of other items that I have bought recently for the living room. You know what? First, like, I need to get a drink because I'm like thirsty. Okay, so I got these are weather-resistant round rattan effect planters. Yeah, so the thing is, like, I'm not going to be putting these outside though. They're obviously going to be here in my living room. I got them because they are black and I did like that rattan kind of look. For my living room, I want there to be lots of different textures throughout the living room. Like I want there to be silk. I want there to be leather. I want there to be rattan. I want there to be, I don't even know all the other textures, but I want my living room to be definitely like a mixture of all different kinds of textures, all different shapes, everything like that. So yeah, I just like got these in a pair. They were on clearance. I think I got these for like $6, I think. Yeah, they're just like these black rattan planters. And yeah, so I don't even know like what I'm gonna do with them, to be honest with you. I probably will just get like a couple of like super tall plants to sit inside of them. I just like, I don't know where they're gonna officially go or anything, you know, in the living room, but I just knew, right, that they would be really good for the living room. So I did pick these 2 up. I got these planters from Aldi's, so. Okay, so I picked up this duck sign here. Are these ducks? Are these ducks or swan? I don't know. But anyways, are these like seriously ducks? Let me see, does it tell you? It doesn't tell me, I don't know. I feel like these are ducks. No judgment, okay? So anyways, I picked up this super cute picture of ducks or swan or whatever they are from Hobby Lobby the other day. I just knew like it would be perfect for my living room. Not just because it's black, right? Like I'm not just getting things because, oh, that's my color, I'm gonna get it. No, 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 no. I have an entire vision that I am chasing after, that I am building out here in my living room. And I knew as soon as I seen this picture in the store, this needs to be in my living room. Like it is beautiful. I absolutely love this piece of wall art here. I think it's so beautiful. Okay, so the next item I got, you guys have seen. Well, if you watched one of my videos, we were in Walmart together, just like looking around. Oh, my DIY gym build video. Anyways, I was in Walmart looking around and I seen these drink tables in Walmart. And I remember I mentioned them in the video. I was like, oh, those are so cute. Those would go so good in my living room just because they are black. And I loved the shape of them. I love that they are so like skinny, very sleek, skinny, meaning like they're not gonna take up a lot of room. And you can like make them like look invisible, like if you really wanted to. So yeah, I ended up going back to get them. And like I originally was not gonna get them because I think they were like originally like $40 each, which I thought that was like kind of steep in my personal opinion. And I was like, you know, so I did not get them at first, but I did end up catching them on sale at Walmart online. I think I got both of them for $70. So that would have been, they were $35 each, right? So yeah, like a little bit of a sale, but I was able to get the pair. And also these don't have any scratches. Like they came with no scratches, because I remember like when I was looking at them originally in Walmart, the ones there had like a lot of scratches and I was like, ooh, like easily, you know, they can get scratched, but they came with no scratches, which is great. You know, they should come like that. But yeah, I just love these so much. I've been using them every single day. Obviously they're in my living room now. I don't know, they just make like so perfect. Like literally look, you can put like your drinks on here, obviously drink table. You can put your dinner on here. Like in the evening, I sit down on the couch, put my drink on here, my smoothie on here, my dinner on here. And it's just like so nice. Like I love the fact that it's not like this huge, gigantic table taking up all this room. Although we are gonna be DIYing like my coffee table. Anyways, a couple of drink tables. Finally, I have something for people to set their drinks on, because as of right now, people just like set their drinks like on the ledge or like on like a table that's like across the living room. So yeah, like now you can have like a drink table and set your little drink on there. So, okay, so the last item that I'm gonna show you is these like bowls with these black stones in them. So you guys already know, but I love like the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I go to the Dollar Tree a lot because like I'm always on a budget. But yeah, basically, so I did this in my bathroom. I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased like marbles, and I just like decorated like on my bathroom countertop when I did my bathroom refresh. I loved like that look, you know, it just like immediately like elevated my bathroom counter. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go back, and instead of getting like the marbles, I was like, I'm gonna get the stones. Obviously, as you can see here, I ended up getting these black stones just to like put in a couple of like just little bowls that I have. I love this look so much. This is such a cheap, affordable, but extremely just like rich looking idea to do if you're just wanting to like spruce up your decor. You could do this like with any area in your home. Like these stones are so beautiful. I love them so much. Next to each other, like that's so cute. I have so much decor. Finally, I've gotten it all out of the garage. Now it's officially all inside the house, in a room, and also like filling up an entire closet. All of my home decor is officially in the house. I have so much I have to go through to decide how I'm going to decorate my living room. Because as of right now, I just have out random things, but none of that stuff is gonna stay like that. There's probably gonna be like maybe 1 or 2 full videos where we are like decorating. Once we have the end tables, once we have the coffee table done. I'm also adding a couple more, I think I forgot to mention this in my DIY wall beam video, but I'm actually adding a few more wall beams to go alongside, like not like right at the top of the stairs when you get to the top, not that wall, but the wall next to it. I'm gonna be adding 2 wall beams identical to the ones that I put on the one wall in the living room. Just to like go right there, because I feel like that's just gonna make my living room and just everything just flow and look really good together, having like 2 over there. And then I am gonna be building out the gallery wall on the wall that is there as soon as you get to the top of the stairs. So when you get to the top of the stairs, boom, is the gallery wall. We have so much to do, obviously, right? And then we have to do my whole wall where the wall beams are on. We have to do all of the decor for that. Like, there's so much to do. This is a very, very big living room. This for me is like the biggest living room that I have had. It's very big, like for me, right? So I love that so much. Like, that's one of the reasons why I really wanted this apartment, was because I loved how big the actual living room was. I mean, like the living room is like your living space, you know? We've still got so much work to do, but at least we're making progress. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one, God willing.